What's up, guys? It's Ryan here, and today, I gotta close my door. Ow! Okay. Okay, I'm back. Today, okay, I'm gonna show you some fidget spinner tricks. So the first one is just a simple knee bounce. Just put your knee like this, and put your fidget spinner on here, and just spin it. It's that simple. And then the next one is a thumb balance. So you're going to put it between your middle finger and your thumb. That's how I like to put it. With your middle finger on top and spin it and just carefully let go of your middle finger. And there you go. If you want to switch it around and your thumb on top, it'll just look something like this. And yeah. This next one I'm not very good at. This is called like spinning on the very tippy top of your finger. So first you're gonna spin it in your hand that you spin it with. Just spin it, and now you're just gonna have to get it at the tippy top of your finger and let go. See, I'm not the best at it. And the next one is a simple toss. So first, just practice just doing that. Alright, then you're just going to make it into a toss. Just like that. And then you can keep going back and forth here. I call that one the hot potato. It's like hot potato. And then you eventually will get these like long tosses and stuff. But I don't like tosses that much. I'm not good at them either. Let me try it one more time. Dang it! And my last one here today, it's probably hardest. It's called the toss. So you're just going to spin it on your middle finger and toss it up and get it back on your middle finger. It's super hard. Let me see if I can do it once for you guys. Dang it. Just toss it up, and there we go. 2 in a row? Nope. So there's all the tricks I could get for you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Bye!